Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to help you download and install RStudio. So follow these steps. So you're going to jump into this URL and I'm going to put it in the description below so you can just tap on it. You'll get straight to this page. And if you scroll down slightly, you will actually see there are two things that you can install here. First of all, there's install R and then install RStudio. So what we're going to do is tap on download and install R, and this is the first step that you need to take. Now, as you can see over here, I'm using Windows, but if you're using Mac or Linux, you can go ahead and choose those appropriate options, but you're going to go ahead and open the link that you would prefer. And as you can see over here, there are a few subdirectories. Now, if you've never downloaded and installed R before, you're going to go ahead and tap on base. And right at the top over here, you can see it says download R 4.4.0 for Windows. It tells you how big it is, and you're going to tap on that. Now, once you have done that, you'll find it in your downloads, and here is the actual file. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to click on this file, and we're going to open it and begin the installation process. We're just going to say yes, and we can choose the language of choice. And here you will see the release information. We're going to go ahead and tap on next. You can now select your destination location. So this is where all of your files will be saved to. After this page, you can see your user installation. You'll see main files, 64-bit files, and message translations. We're going to leave everything as is. Tap on next. And here it says, would you like startup option? So we can just say no, accept default for now. And as you can see, it says to continue, click next. If you would like to select a different folder, click browse. So if you would like to, you can go ahead. But for now, again, we're just going to tap on next, and we have some options. So we can create a desktop shortcut. We can also create a quick launch shortcut, and then the registry entries, we can save a version number in our registry, and then we can associate R with our data file. So we're going to leave this exactly the way it is and tap on next. You will see that your installation has now begun, and within a few minutes we'll have R ready to use. We're going to go ahead and just tap on finish over here. We can now go back to that very first page that we were on, and the second step now is to install RStudio. So just below that it says download RStudio desktop for Windows, and we will tap on that. Again, you'll see that that has begun. So what I'm going to do is just pause that. It actually is already in my downloads, and it's right over here. So we're going to go ahead and just tap on that RStudio exe file, and again it'll begin the installation process. Here we want to allow it to make changes to our system, and from here we're going to go ahead, tap on next, choose a destination folder. We are also going to see that it'll be able to create a start menu folder. We can say install, and again you will have to wait a few minutes and this installation process will begin. And as you can see now, the installation is complete. We're going to go ahead and tap on finish, and you will also notice that there will be a desktop icon right over here. So here we are. We can just double tap on it and it'll start up the program and you can get going. Now, if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and explore our channel. You have no idea what you may find. We'll see you over there, folks. Peace out.